Krisp AI caught my attention as a noise cancellation app that promises to filter out background sounds during calls. But does it really deliver? Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Krisp AI is designed to enhance your audio experience by removing background noise during calls and recordings. The app works by using AI to distinguish between your voice and unwanted sounds, which can be a game changer for remote workers or anyone who frequently joins calls in noisy environments. The user interface is relatively straightforward, allowing you to toggle noise cancellation on or off with ease. You can use Krisp with various communication platforms, making it versatile for users across different services. However, one thing that stood out to me is the limited information on how it performs with specific types of noise like the hum of a nearby air conditioner versus a bustling cafe. While it seems effective for general background noise, it would be nice to see more transparency on its capabilities in different scenarios. So, what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, Krisp AI does a solid job at filtering out distracting sounds, which can really enhance call clarity. It's user-friendly and integrates well with popular apps, making it accessible for most users. But there are some drawbacks. The app's performance can vary depending on your device and the type of noise, which might leave some users wanting more consistent results. Additionally, while there's a free tier, the full features come at a cost, which might not suit everyone's budget. And for those who need absolute clarity in professional settings, the occasional hiccup in noise cancellation could be a deal breaker. In conclusion, Krisp AI is worth considering if you need reliable noise cancellation for calls, especially in noisy environments. However, if you're looking for a one-size-fits-all solution or have specific noise challenges, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a solid tool, but be prepared for some limitations.